Okay guys, this is HD Doug and I'm going to try and make a video to show you how to open your old wallet and your new wallet on the same computer. If you can, it's going to be so much easier if you use two different computers. But I'm going to assume that you have your old wallet downloaded and probably active already, and then your new wallet. When I downloaded it, I just renamed it new just because it could be confusing. The icon did change, but at one moment it hadn't, so that's why I changed the name. So I already have, okay, actually I do have that open. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to back this up because we're going to be changing folder names and I don't want you to lose any information. So this is my old wallet with coins. I'm going to back that up. I hit backup right now and it's going to ask me where to put it. I always create a wallet backup folder that I later back up to other things. So I'm going to call this Adler new or old, excuse me, and then save that. So I have that saved, so if anything goes wrong, I'm okay. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to close this wallet down. Now you want to go into your roaming, your data folder. You can do that by clicking down here and then just going %app data %. Go into the roaming. There's other ways to get it as long as you go there. And now here is the folder. I'm going to rename the folder for this so when we start the new one it doesn't go in there. So I'm going to rename that to Aldercash old, and then that's good. So now that folder is there. So now I'm going to open my new one. So now I'm opening the new wallet that I just downloaded, and it should come up and ask me where I want to put it. I would suggest not put it in the Aldercash and just call this new. Okay, oops. Can't type, it's late at night. Okay, now that's going to come up and it's going to take a while to sync. You're going to need to do the add nodes if you haven't done that already. I'm not going to go through all that part because I'm assuming you know how to do add nodes. And this takes a little while, so maybe I'll fast forward the video, but it's coming up here hopefully pretty soon. So that is 417. So now when this is open, I'm just going to go into a receive. It hasn't synced yet because I didn't do add nodes, but I can go in here and create a label. I'm going to say new coins and then request payment, and then here is my address I want to use. You might want to put that in a notepad. That's my new address. Notice it starts with the L. Okay, I can close this down. You're going to want to back this up again. And I'm going to go to my wallet backup and call it ADL new. Okay, so I know which one that is. So that's backed up. So that file is backed up. Now I'm going to close my wallet. Okay, in here I forgot, back in my roaming folder, I forgot, oh I did call old already. Okay, so I have old and I have new. And so now you're going to want to change this one again. You need to change it to something else. Yes, so now we're going to change this back to just Aldercash because this thing thinks the new one is going to want to go there and the old ones want to go where we just went. So we changed it to Aldercash new. Now I open this one and it should ask me to put it in a different core. We are not going to go to new, we are going to go to old because this is the old one. and I'm going to go in here, hit OK, and hopefully it's going to come up a lot faster. So this is now syncing to the old folder where all its information is. And everything should be good. We're waiting. There it goes. Okay, so now it opened up. It's my old wallet. It's all there. So now I can go in and do my receiving address. So here I'm going to create, I have an address already called all old coins. I'm going to show that so I know what that is. That's the address I'm going to send all my coins to. Copy address. And then I'm going to go into file, send. And first, we don't have coin control, so we have to turn that on. Control, okay. And then now I can choose which I want to send all my coins, right? I want to send those all to my address I just made, which is all old coins. So I'm going to send 100 and okay. So I send that all to myself. So all my coins are now in that. Now I also need to sign that message. So I go into here, I go File, Sign Message. Here I'm going to choose my wallet that I just used, all old coins. Click on this, and I'm going to choose that, all old coins, choose. And then here I'm going to put my new wallet address. Copy, paste, and then I sign my message. So this information that came in this message, you can just copy by clicking here. I would put that down here also. And then here is, this is our existing wallet that we're going to be sending from. Okay, so this is the existing wallet we just sent all our coins to and we signed. This is the signed message code. This is the new address. Notice it always starts with an L. We're done with that. Now my next step is to go in here and send to the we're going to send to the, or do you have it in here? No. We need to send this to the address on the form. So let's get that. That is where. Sorry guys, I should have this open. So in the swap guide here, it gives you the address to the form, and then the burn address that we're going to send all our coins to is listed down here, right here. So I want to copy this. This is the address I'm sending all my coins to. Okay, so that is what I'm going to go pay to, paste, and then label, I'm just going to call this burn address. Okay, and then I would put all my coins in here. So I have 100.99, and then hit send. After I hit send, I'm not going to do that because I might need this for, and these are the only coins they gave me to work with. If I hit send, obviously I go into transactions, I can come in here and I can hit copy transaction ID. Once I go, I'd put that transaction ID right here. Obviously it's going to be a different transaction. Paste that in there, and then that's going to go into the form. So we have all our information in the form, the number of coins, etc. So now you're ready to go over to this form. Now we're ready to go over to the form. And then here's where you put it, your Discord name, the number of coins you sent. The wallet address I'm sending from is this one. Sign message signature. it's going to go there, and so on. So this is a signed message signature, this is a transaction ID, and this is the new wallet address. So I think that's going to make sense. Hopefully that helps you. Now let's see what happens when we go back and start our other wallet. So we're going to go here now. I'm going to assume you've sent your coins. We're going to file, we're going to exit. So now, oh, that's the wrong one. Now when I go into here and I start my, I would rename this again actually too. I don't know if I had that. Now I would go back into this, downloads, Aldercash, and it should ask me where we want to go. Remember that we named the old one back to the normal, or the new one back to the normal name. Oh,